Hey Jay, this is my first time using ScreencastOMatic too. Um, Actually, my third time because I didn't save it the first two times. But to add it to your canvas, what you're going to do is you're going to go into Canvas, go to your dashboard, and I'm going to I'm going to start a new course real quick. And I'm going to add a module called Week 1, and I'm going to add a page, excuse me. Sorry, I should have had that set up before now. Okay, so when you're in your start your dashboard, go to the class, go to a course. Unfortunately, you have to add ScreencastOMatic to each course you want to use it in. And then scroll down to Settings. And then up at the top, you have all these different tabs. You want to be on the Apps tab. And then you're going to search for ScreencastOMatic here and select it and go ahead and add it. Okay, so then you want to go back to the home spot in that course. And when I go to this page, I'm going to edit. And in your editing page, you should have this V. You click on it, you'll see ScreencastOMatic is added. You will open it, and you'll start a new recording. I am not going to start a new recording right now because I'm already using ScreencastOMatic and it will close it out. I will make a different video for you on how to use this if you need to. But actually, you should just record it and then it should embed it right, or you should choose video, and then it should, when you record it, it should embed it right into the page where you're going to use it here. Okay. The second thing I wanted to show you on Canvas is that copy to option. So if I go home, okay, let's say I want, on this example, I want to move it into another class. I can go down to copy to, my video is in the way. I can go down here to copy to, and then over here on the right, I can then choose which class you want to copy to. So like if you're in Music Tech A and you created a module or created a page or created an assignment, you can copy it into Music Tech B by using the snowman, copy to, and then this window to pick what other class you want to go into. I've got the entire district list here. You should only have your classes listed to copy into. So let me know if you've got any other questions that I can help you with. I figured this video was easier to show you how to do this than a Zoom or something. So let me know if you need anything else, Jay, okay? Have a good weekend.